Hey everyone, we'll have a go at drawing that little catamaran that some of you have been making. So create new. Remember, it's got to be millimeters. And if you just double check on yours that you go to the eye and check that it is millimeters. Okay, now I'll remove her. And my first little rectangle is going to be 100 by 20. So 100, 20, enter that. And I'll zoom in, bring it up 20, and the little cutout, I'll just use the pencil. It's going to be back 30, so I'll type in 30, enter, go to the end point. Now it's going to come down 12, this other piece of timber is 12, so it goes actually more than halfway, and then it'll be 20 this way, and then bring it up to the top, and push that out. Now I'm going to put a little curve on the front, like the little one that's in the workshop. So I'll go to here, and I'll pick this one, the two point arc, and I'll just randomly pick somewhere, touch that one, touch there, and then you just move your cursor around. See how it goes all over the place? But when it snaps onto tangent to edge, then that's going to work. And I'll push, pull, and take that out. Now if you want to vary it up a little bit more to make yours a bit different, you can. One might be to make it a little bit more streamlined. You don't have to do this, but just as I said, if it's too easy, you can play around a bit. Okay, that'll do for me. I'll leave it at that for now, so I'll make a group of that. Make group, and I need two of them, so I'll make a copy with the move tool, hit the option button, and move it to the side a little bit. Now I'm going to draw the little cross piece, so I'll get my rectangle tool again. Now I want to draw it in this position so I don't have to rotate later. So I'm looking down the bottom and it's got the small number first, so it's going to be, the small number will be 20. And the long number is going to be 100. Right, so there's that. And this one's going to come up 12. 12. Now I need that slot through the middle for the sail to fit in, so I'm going to turn that around a little bit. And it's going to go in here. So I'll get the pencil tool, and I'm going to come to the center, right, midpoint, and I'm going to come down 6. Then I'm going to go that way 3, and escape that, and I'm going to come from there again and come back this way 3. I'm just doing that so that it's centered. There it is. And if I bring that up, I'll delete that little line, you don't need to, but delete that, and then push that out, and go back and touch the back edge when you're pushing it out so it comes in the right spot. Now that's finished now, so I'm going to make a group of that one. I'll just put it in a position where I can select it, which will be okay there. Make group, swing that back around, and that will do the sail, and there. I'll draw it in the right position, so I want it that way. So I want my small number first, which is going to be, oh no, it's the big number first this time. Big number first is going to be 50, comma 6, that's that. And I'm going to bring that up 80, there. And I'll turn that around a bit. Now, actually I might do it from this side. Now I'll just randomly guess this, but I'll just pick that, push that out. It doesn't matter about measurements as long as it looks okay, that's the main thing. And I might just curve those off a little bit too, so get that 2-point curve. So start there, click there, move it around so it says tangent. That looks okay. We should be able to then push that out. Now, if this starts to frustrate you and that doesn't work as well as it's working for me, don't worry too much about it. But I'll do the same thing down here. I'll go from, say, that point to that point, move in, and there's the tangent. Now push it out, and I'll go from there, and I want it to go that deep, so the other option would be to type 6. Okay, but that looks okay there. Bang. Yep, make a group of that one. Now put it all together, so if I move, I'll just deselect that piece. Now, that point's going to touch that point, so I'll move that into place. There, this outside point, now remember you don't move it while the protractor's there, but that point will attach to that one. There, and for this one, if I take that little one right at the front, that will do, and that's going to slot into this one there. Okay, now that's obviously drawn. If you want to then go and give it put some colours onto it, there's colours. I might just stick with colours for today. There doesn't seem to be too many there. Colours, there we go. How's that? Pretty flash looking. Okay, we'll get rid of that. Swing it around to a reasonable position so I can see the detail of it well. Now see that line there? That is the axis. You can get rid of those. If you go to this set of glasses and see the axis are turned on, you can turn that off. So that's gone. And that's your drawing done. Well done.